Miss Gracie, what did you do as a kid?
When I was a kid, I grew up on a farm. We had all kind of animals like the cows and the hogs, and we had mule too. We had chickens too. Well, I used to play marbles with my brothers because I had a lot of brothers, and I used to go out there and play marbles with them. We made a gangbuster, that's what we called it, and we had a oil can that we put dirt in and put a piece of wire in so we could roll it, and that's how we would roll it around in the yard, and that was a lot of fun. When I first learned how to ride a bicycle, I got on that bicycle and I fell so many times, but I kept trying until I learned how to ride that particular bicycle. And eventually, I got my own bicycle.
Miss Gracie, what was your first car?
My daddy had a truck. It was a standard shift truck. And I told him I didn't want him to get in there with me because, my daddy used to fuss a lot about, oh, you're not doing this right. So I told him, I said, let me go and drive it by myself. We had a hill right up above our house. I couldn't go up that hill the first time, but I kept trying until I went up that hill. And from then on, I've been driving a standard shift truck, anything, whatever.
Miss Gracie, so what do you do in your free time?
I volunteer at the Jamieson Community Center, where I grew up at. I just love people. I just love working with people. I go to the community center to exercise, and I walk around my trail, which is Leland Circle, every day. And then I volunteer at the Lunch and Learn Center there in Mikitsuki. And I'm also on the TSC Advisory Council at my church. I'm the cross secretary, I'm a trustee, and I am the superintendent of Sunday schools. I also work with the Volunteer Senior Companion Elderly Care. I want to volunteer because my mom, before she passed, she was in hospice. And I was there with her every day, and I said, this is something that I would like to do later in life.
Miss Gracie, what have you done that you are most proud of?
I am very proud of my education. See, the white had their school and the black had their school. We were together back then. Now, my parents instilled in us back in the day that you need a good education. They always told us, hey, if you don't do nothing but get a high school diploma, that would be something great. When I first started working at Square Deal Construction, when I got out of high school, they let me go to Lively Tech. During the time that I was working with them, they gave me time off to go down to Lively Tech to get some bookkeeping classes. So after that, I got my bookkeeping diploma from Lively Tech.
What do you think of modern technology?
Me personally, I don't like it. I guess because of my age, I just don't like it because, when I call somewhere, I would like to talk to a physical person instead of, the recorder. That's just me.
Have you ever done any traveling?
Traveling world all over the world has really changed my life because I always said once I retire and I could afford it, I would do that, travel. And see, now every year we take a family trip and we go somewhere everywhere.
Miss Gracie, what advice would you give to kids my age?
The advice that I would give children today, I said, just be obedient to your parents and be honest with yourself. And I would like to encourage you to never say can't. I can't do this and I can't do that. Always say I can. And always wear a smile on your face.